Hi guys, so today is the day 2 of my trip in Moscow. कल का दिन काफ़ी हेक्टिक था. थके हुए होने के बावजूद हमने अपने होटल के आसपास की स्ट्रीट्स डिस्कवर करी, स्ट्रीट फूड खाया, मेट्रो में ट्रैवल किया एंड वी ऑल्सो वेंट टू आरबाद स्ट्रीट. आज हम जा रहे हैं रेड स्क्वायर. होटल इन विच आई एम स्टेइंग इज कॉल्ड हॉलीडे इन. इट्स अ वेरी नाइस होटल. द rooms are very nice. The view is very nice. And the best part is that there's a shopping mall right in front of us and उसी के साथ में एक मेट्रो स्टेशन है. So that makes travel very easy for us. Also मैंने कल सिम कार्ड भी ख़रीदा. तो यहाँ पे जो शॉपिंग मॉल है राइट आउटसाइड अ होटल, वहाँ पे मैंने सिम कार्ड ख़रीदा एंड इट वाज अ पैक फॉर 15 days and unlimited internet with 1000 calls, and I got that pack for around 400 rupees. And वैसे ही for 1 month there is a pack of 800 rupees. Since I'll be traveling so much, so I really need free internet all the time so that I can research and see where to go and when to go. So if you're ever in Moscow, definitely buy a local SIM so that you can use internet and traveling becomes easier for you. बाकी तो as such कुछ नहीं. I'm going to head to Red Square now and I hope you guys will enjoy this vlog as well. This is my outfit for today guys, and I'm in love with these shoes from Ajio. They were not that comfortable initially but बार बार पहन के अब थोड़े soft हो गए हैं, and this fanny pack is saving my life.
सो गाइस अभी हमें आई डोंट नो क्या है, आइसक्रीम है क्या, इसे टेस्ट करेंगे. ये टमाटर है जो तुम्हारे स्टार बाज़ार में मिलता है. टमाटर खा सकते हो, खाना है तो. मुंबई वाला टमाटर खट्टा है, पका नहीं हूँ. अभी हम ये जो भी है आइसक्रीम इसे टेस्ट करेंगे. दिखने में ऐसा लग रहा है कि जैसे दूध फट गया हो. इट्स ओके. बाकी में दूध फटा है. क्या ऐसा टेस्ट कर रहा है जैसे घर में हम दूध रखते हैं और फट जाता है.
Honest review we want. Honest review.
पैथेटिक.
जैसा शिवाल ने बोला वैसा कुछ नहीं था. मुझे तो स्वीट डिश बहुत अच्छी लगी. ये 2 तरीके के ब्रेड्स थे जो हमें होटल में हर रोज़ मिल रहे थे और बहुत सारा सैलेड. एज अ वेजिटेरियन मेरे नसीब में सिर्फ मशरूम का सूप था जो मैं ब्रेड के साथ खा रही थी. नॉन वेजिटेरियन स्टिल हैड मोर ऑप्शंस, पर चलो कोई नहीं. After eating breakfast, we took a metro to the Red Square, also known as Krasnaya Ploshad in Russian, Krasnaya meaning red. Adjoining this is the historic fortress and center of government known as the Kremlin. The Kremlin and the Red Square were added to UNESCO's World Heritage List in 1990. Historically, Red Square has been the site for executions, demonstrations, riots, parades, and speeches.
India.
Everything is so colorful and so beautiful. Where is Paji?
इस पाजी
हम तो मस्त अपनी चाल में चलते हैं और पाजी पीछे रह गए हैं. नाक एंट्री. So we came here by metro and metro काफ़ी comfortable है. It was not even crowded and the charges were so cheap. I think it's the best way to travel and I think हम 10-12 minutes में पहुंच गए थे स्टेशन में. The station is called, I don't remember its name, but I will look it up and let you guys know. So pretty. I need to show this to you guys. Oh my god, this is so pretty. I would also suggest you all to download Yandex Maps and Yandex Metros to make your navigation much easier in this beautiful city. And now we are heading towards St. Basil's Cathedral, which is Moscow's most famous artistic work of architecture. Hi guys, so we are entering the St. Basil's Cathedral right now. There's a museum inside St. Basil's Cathedral, and the ticket is for 1000 rupees, 1000 ruble. I'm pretty sure I'm making this mistake time and again, पर दोनों की price value almost same है, so please bear with me. Coming back to the cathedral, it means to the Russians the same as the Eiffel Tower to the French, being an honorable symbol of their past, present, and future. The St. Basil's Cathedral history started in 1555 by the order of the Ivan IV, also known as Ivan the Terrible, in celebration of the defeat of the Kazan, the last remaining grip of Mongol Empire on European lands. Parts of its distinctive appearance can be attributed to the colorful domes and vivid ridgeback towers. The domes belong to 9 different chapels within the cathedral, and each dome is a symbol for the assault on the city of Kazan. While roaming around, I mistakenly took these stairs. मुझे लगता है entry prohibited थी, but once I entered, I could hear faint music coming from a distance, so I just kept following the music. It was a choir performing Russian spiritual songs, and I enjoyed it so much. Hi guys, so I just finished my tour of the St. Basil's Cathedral Museum, and I also got this very beautiful fridge magnet. It was very culturally rich. I mean, बहुत ज़्यादा religious history थी. Now I'm going to find my friends, and रात को हम Red Square पे we're going to roam around, and it gets lit up at night. So I'm very excited to see that. अभी से ही lights जलनी शुरू हो गई. So beautiful. God, the feeling of being in some other country and exploring, it is so exciting, and yeah, I'm loving it.
जस्ट वो है इंफॉर्मेशन जो सेंटर होता है.
We also discovered this public park which had beautiful colors of autumn and also gave us a rooftop view of the entire place.
So on you. So guys, आज हम दिवाली मना रहे हैं. Right?
And then we entered the GUM, which is a large departmental store on the Red Square. Traditionally, it was also a trading center of Moscow. As of 2021, this building functions as a shopping mall and carries over 100 different brands. It has cafes and restaurants inside the mall. It opened in the heart of Red Square in Moscow in 1893 and today includes luxurious shops such as Louis Vuitton and Prada, as well as beloved 1950s style shops selling gourmet food items, wines, chocolate and classic Soviet products. So after exploring the streets in Russia, we've come to this huge mall which is called GUM, and this is the largest mall in Red Square, and अभी थोड़े थक गए हैं. We want to rest, have coffee and relax for a while, and after that I think we will go and explore a little more. So the Red Square is very huge, and I don't think मैं एक दिन में सब कुछ cover कर सकती हूँ. For now, whatever I've seen has been really beautiful, and my experience has been great. So we'll just relax and chill for a while, and I'll catch you guys later.
Why everyone is having that black coffee, huh? Aber?
желание, ребят, возьмите. Там сколько часов?
तो भेजा घूम गेला है इधर पूरा, अपन तो पूरा पक गेला है इधर लाइट देख के बिल्कुल।
इसका भेजा
और इधर मंदिर में आए हैं, पूजा हो रही है।
Street music definitely added a cherry on top of this whole experience, and now we are heading home. It has started raining और हमें ठंड भी बहुत लग रही है. And that was it for this video, guys. I hope you all enjoyed. I'm super excited to share more with you guys, so keep watching. अभी आ गए हैं हम होटल में, एंड ये छाते ने बहुत हेल्प किया आज हमें. काफ़ी बारिश हुई थी, it was drizzling. I mean, I didn't mind the rain. It was quite nice. बहुत अच्छा लग रहा था, एंड ठंड भी नहीं फील हुई मुझे फॉर सम रीज़न, एंड वी इंजॉयड अ लॉट. और अब हम जा रहे हैं खाना खाने. No, I gave you footage in the beginning. Like हमने छाते की तारीफ की और पाजी की तारीफ करी.
छाते की वजह से आज हम लोग बच गए, ना तो काफी प्रॉब्लम हो रही थी.
हाँ,
चलो लेट्स गो.
चलो ये डालो तो मेरे बैग में छाता.
डालो के बैग में.
देखो, आई एम द ओनली रिस्पॉन्सिबल चाइल्ड इन दिस ग्रुप हु इज कैरिंग छाता, वाटर बॉटल. मेरे बगैर ये नहीं घूम पाते लोग.
थैंक्स आबा, थैंक यू सो मच फॉर दिस छाता.
वेलकम.
एंड थैंक यू फॉर दिस अपॉर्चुनिटी कि मेरे को छाता डालने को मिल रहा है.
यू लकी मैन, यू लकी गाइस.
थैंक यू.